a destination that few still discuss, but which this year is becoming a destination of choice for many people, is Qatar, one of the richest and safest countries in the world. Qatar is an excellent destination, not only for those who already have a business, but also for those looking for work, with many job opportunities for qualified personnel. It is a country with extraordinary infrastructures and excellent support from public structures. Overall, the country's population is quite small, and therefore the expat communities are usually quite close-knit. If you want to live in a safe country, where crime is practically non-existent, you will like Qatar, as it is considered one of the safest countries in the world, if not the safest, as stated by several rankings. If you are thinking of living and working in Qatar, it is essential to understand the country's tax system, as fortunately, it is very different from many Westerners, and probably much more favorable to you. The good news is first of all that, unlike Westerners' countries, there is no income tax in Qatar. Generally speaking, there are relatively few taxes in Qatar compared to other countries. In fact, there is no personal income tax, no inheritance tax, and no property tax. However, there are cases in which some taxes are applied, especially if you open a company operating within the territory. For example, if you are the owner in whole or in part of a company that earns from local sources and is therefore based in Qatar and operates in Qatar, you will normally be required to pay corporate tax. If you need specific advice, you can contact us at the contact details you find in the description. Finally, remember that laws change all the time. Therefore, it is essential to check the law in force when you decide to relocate and relocate. If you need specific advice, you can reach us at the contact details you find in the description, and we will put you in touch with an international tax lawyer, highly specialized in assisting clients in your position.